as you can see, oh, that don't look too bad. But we are going to be cleaning up my car. Oh, that ain't too bad. But let's get to work. Well, good morning, YouTube. Good morning to everybody who's watching. Well, as you can tell by the title, yeah, I'm gonna go clean my car out. Got to. It's only right because I'm a commuter and yo, it just ain't looking right. Not the way I want it. Needs a good vacuum, definitely. A wash, that'll probably be in another video some other time. And luckily, we actually got a car wash station and a vacuum station at my complex, so that's very convenient. But yeah, I hope everybody's having a good day. And oh yeah, get used to these vlogs, cause it's just something that that I want to do, want to try out. Get used to these. You might see a couple of these pop up, and if you don't want to watch it, it's okay. You don't have to watch it, but just support your boy. If you subscribe, thank you for the support. And yeah, I'm gonna keep doing vlogs. I'm gonna keep doing those reacting videos. Just keep up with the support and stay positive. All right, I'll catch up with y'all later. Just cruising down past Walmart. Where else we going? To be honest, y'all, ever since COVID hit, nothing really feels the same. Nothing has that same energy anymore. Dang, what the? Hey, excuse me, squeeze by you. What? They got bus pickups. Wow. I don't know if y'all got that. What? So apparently here, some of the schools are already at full capacity, which is kind of crazy. But tell me how in your area, how your public school system is dealing with the COVID. Is it some, special education going in, or is it special education and ESOL, or is it everybody? Is it full capacity? Because that's crazy. Some of the parts where I'm at, like some just have special ed, some have both special education and ESOL, and then others have everybody. So that's crazy. Have one state but different. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just weird.
Tryna give me some more, tryna run to the choke, cause I just got out, I was locked in. I hate the stupid back far, my caliber hoe, we gon' stay all night like a lock. They left when I went down the road, had to say that I know, but I knew they would leave me on my dick. Tryna see how far I can go, honestly, I don't know, but I won't let these niggas stop me. Young fly nigga, I belong in a cockpit, they don't want shit and I want me some profit. We not the same little nigga, I'm poppin', no, I'm not the same little nigga, I'm poppin'. I was broke for so long till I got me some rat shit, couldn't even fit in my wallet. Put my pain in my songs, they gon' hate when I'm on, if you see my shit, go copy. I'm tryna get.
Oh my gosh, y'all see that? Did y'all see that? Dude, the dang on hose done broke. The nozzle popped right off. I tried to still use it, but the machine wouldn't even cut on. The vacuum wouldn't even cut on. Crazy. crazy. So, well, hold on, let me go get my seatbelt on. God dang it. Well, I am really just gonna head back because only had a little bit of time before my classes. I have like a meeting, so I only had a little bit of time to run around a little bit. So, and I'm not gonna chase and drive around town for a vacuum. I'll have to do that later. I might have to make a part 2 to this video because, yeah, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. The amenities don't even work. Golly. I wonder if that car wash works. It came with the lease. They said it was free. It is free. You can cut it on with the button, but they said you can't cut it on with the button. They said that about the vacuum too. The vacuum don't work. God dang, stuff sliding everywhere. Groceries. That's crazy, man. They need to fix that. Wow. Cause that's a convenience for everyone, you know? Everyone who commute, everyone who drive around, everybody who got busy lives. I don't know. That's my first time actually going there. They told me about it when I first signed the lease, but I didn't really check it out until now. I should have checked it out. All right. Well, you know what the deal is. I'm out.
Hop inside my car, I gotta go.